Eat more protein. Protein is one of the most important nutrients you should eat in your daily diet. The body breaks down proteins at a much lower rate than carbohydrates, and of course fats, so the energy you give them lasts longer. In addition, because of this type of protein, it causes the body to produce a hormone called peptide YY. Its role is to make you feel full. Eating small, healthy proteins such as eggs, beans, and fish helps control your body, allowing you to maintain weight by improving your energy level. This encourages your body to lose a lot of weight that you no longer need to keep. It also helps you build muscle instead of fat, which keeps you feeling energized, and therefore you do not need extra food to burn.